Hey guys, let me tell you how to get free Zomato Gold membership for free. It's a gift from Zomato. I'll show you. Go to Zomato app. Once you go there, right on the home screen, you will see here's a gift for you from Zomato. That is free Gold membership from Zomato. Click on claim now. But if you don't find this pop-up screen, what you do is you go to profile icon as shown in the picture. Click on join Zomato Gold. Here I have got this pop-up screen, so I'll go for claim now. Once you click on claim now you will get this Zomato Gold membership for free. So here comes the offers of Zomato Gold membership. So after getting the membership, you have this golden offer. You can scroll down, flat 10% off up to 1500 on flight bookings. You can scroll down and see what are the benefits. You have free delivery for orders above 199 rupees, an extra 30% off on partner restaurants with Zomato. But still, if you've got any doubts, you can click on need help and chat with Zomato. Now come back. You can also change the app icon as shown in the picture by clicking on change the app icon from Zomato to Zomato Gold. Okay, now come back to home screen. As you see in the picture, you've got items at 99 rupees and buy one get one offer as well, as you see in the picture. You can also go for veg and non-veg mode. You can just tap on veg mode icon and select pure veg restaurants or veg dishes from all the restaurants. You can choose whatever you want, and of course you can off that option at any time. As you see in the picture, I'm switching off veg mode. Now tap on explore all offers. You have here items at 99 rupees and you got free dishes as well. You can explore those offers. These are the gold offers from Zomato Gold membership. As you see in the picture, I've got this ice cream tub for 59 rupees only. You can add to the cart as shown in the picture by clicking on add button. Now you can explore coupons as well from that particular restaurant as shown in the picture. Now after adding all the items to the cart, click on 2 items added. Once you click on that, you will see all the items added to the cart, and not only that, a coupon is auto applied. That is items at the rate rupees 59. You can go for view all restaurant coupons and payment coupons as well and apply as shown in the picture. Here I have applied treat new coupon to get 30 off on the order value 59 rupees. After applying the coupon, you can check out and place your order. That's done. Your order is placed and you can enjoy Zomato Gold membership for free. Have a happy weekend. Keep smiling. Do subscribe. Don't forget.